Today, very exciting subject for Nitya Satsang. Mahadeva's definition of completion. Few days before, I was just contemplating how come Mahadeva, who has explained all the philosophies, did not explain completion process. How come he did not define the completion process? I was having the idea basically the completion process is from the Vedic tradition, the Upanishads, and Sankhya. Sankhya, which is rooted in Upanishads. Because the completion is the whole completion process is more like a maths. Mathematics of the macrocosm is Sankhya. Science of the sacred is Vedanta. Art of the ultimate is Tantra. So I was thinking that basically the completion science, because of its nature of mathematics, is from Sankhya, which is rooted in the Svetasvara, Chandogya Upanishads. Of course, Isavasya Upanishad. I was contemplating how come Mahadeva did not directly, because in that 64 tantras, Mahadeva has given everything possible to Devi. It is an amazing compilation. Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, Spandakarika, Shivasutras. Amazing compilation. Whoever has done that book is Mahadeva, I can be sure, because nobody other than the person who has reached the space of Sarvanya, Mahadeva, can do that work. The effect shows the cause. The effect shows the power of the cause. I can be sure it's from Mahadeva or a person who is in the space of Mahadeva. Both are one and the same. So I was thinking, how come the Mahadeva did not explain this completion process? I was just sitting in the room, and as usual, my usual posture of going to Samadhi is I'll stretch the leg and put the body on the wall or the back support. Suddenly I saw in the golden letter the 22nd verse of Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, which beautifully translated and commented by Swami Lakshmanju and Paul Reps. Paul Reps is a person who wrote the book Zen Flesh and Bones. More than writing, I can say that compiled the book Zen Flesh and Bones. Osho commented on it. So I acknowledge the great contribution of Swami Lakshmanju, Paul Reps, Osho, for keeping and expanding this knowledge. And ultimately, bow down to Mahadeva, and I complete with Mahadeva for thinking that how come Mahadeva did not define the completion process. But anyhow, I can say he himself has reminded, saying that, hey, I have clearly expanded on this completion process. So the moment I saw that verse, I got up and ran to get the books and referred exactly. The sutra defines completion beyond any definitions given in Upanishads. Please understand, Mahadeva has gone far beyond defining completion than from the Upanishadic or the Sankhya tradition. And I also have a good news for you guys. In just few more days, I'm going to start speaking on the Sankhya philosophy as my offering to Kapila and Mahanirvani Pita, the Kapila's Sarvanya Pita. Soon you will start listening about the Sankhya Karika and Sankhya Sutras in the morning satsang. So anyhow, Mahadeva has gone far beyond in defining the whole process of completion in a very beautiful way in this 22nd technique, process in Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, which is part of Shiva Sutras. Shiva Sutras is a compilation of 64 books: Guru Gita, Kularnava, Mahanirvana, Vijnana Bhairava, Spandakarika. All these put together is called as Shiva Sutras, which was delivered to Devi by Mahadeva. Mahadeva directly transmitted these signs to Devi. So the 22nd verse, I'll give you the translation and we'll start there. Signs of completion by Mahadeva. We will